Mommy. Really, mommy? Dinosaur. Mommy, little guy. Where's your mommy? Natakot! Natakot ako! Jason.
Si Jason.
Wait. Look at this guy. Natakot. No! Look at him. He's catching up the tree. I think because the angel akyat ako.
Sige, akit ka, dali.
He wants to teach.
Kaya mo yan,
He
umakyat.
wants the angel akyat ako.
Sige, akit ka.
That way, this way, that way. Why is he going up? Why is he getting up there?
Because he wants to climb the tree.
Oh, to eat some plants?
Yes. Ano, you wanna bite my hand? Sabi niya. Ano?
No.
Pakagat na yung kamay mo. Dali, try natin.
Ayoko!
Bakit?
Wala ako kamay!
Try lang natin.
Ayoko!